Head of Emergency Medicine Directorate at the Oppong Teaching Hospital, Dr. Chris Oppong, has expressed worry over the high rate of young, experienced nurses leaving the facility. He says quality service delivery is adversely impacted when the experienced health professionals abandon their posts for greener pastures outside the country. There's more in the following report.
For 37 years, Mrs. Augustina Barbara Nkrumah dedicated her life to serving patients at the Oppong Teaching Hospital. She's retiring as the Chief Nursing Officer at the Emergency Medicine Directorate of the hospital. Her colleagues celebrate her contribution to good service delivery. But Head of Directorate, Dr. Chris Oppong, is worried a lot of young professionals and experienced nurses are traveling out of the country. He observed the young, experienced nurses to replace the retiring professionals are fast depleted.
One of the challenges that we face is the inexperienced nurses that we have to work with, because a lot of the experienced ones have traveled to the US, UK, and Canada to seek greener pastures. So the emergency nurses that we need to work with, we don't have them. And I feel Augustina Barbara Nkrumah is one of the few experienced emergency nurses that we have, who was holding the fort, both in academics. You know, we have the KNUST and Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives. She's actually a lecturer there, and she was helping with the training, especially with the clinical aspect. So if such a person retires, we're going to have a huge deficit and a huge gap or hole that has to be filled. And it's not easy at all to fill such a gap when it comes to training and also the experience to work in an emergency department.
Mrs. Barbara Nkrumah urged the young nurses to uphold professionalism in their career for patients. The high attrition rate of health professionals has become a subject of public discussion in recent times. The government has been enjoined to institute measures to retain health professionals in the interest of patients. For Joy News, Nana Boachi Dankwe Yadom.